Six-pack abs in 7 days, no gym, no equipment, home workout for beginners. Do you want to get visible six-pack abs in just 7 days, without going to the gym or using any equipment? In this video, I will show you a simple, powerful home workout plan that can help you build abs, lose belly fat, and boost your core strength, fast and naturally. Let's get started. Day 1 and 2. Building the base. Exercises: 30 seconds plank, 15 crunches, 20 Russian twists. Tips: focus on proper form, not speed. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Day 3 and 4. Burn fat and strengthen core. Exercises: 20 mountain climbers, 25 leg raises, 30 bicycle crunches. Tips: avoid sugar and fried food. Try adding green tea between meals. Day 5 and 6. High intensity burn. Exercises: repeat 3 rounds. 20 plank jacks, 25 sit-ups, 20 flutter kicks. Tips: breathe steadily throughout. Eat a protein-rich breakfast like eggs or oats. Day 7. Full abs routine and transformation day. Exercises: combine all previous workouts into one final session. Aim to complete at least 2 full rounds. Motivation: if you've reached day 7, you've already done better than 90% of people who start and quit. Don't stop now. Sample meal plan: breakfast, boiled eggs, oats, banana. Lunch, brown rice with vegetables or lentils. Dinner, grilled chicken breast or tofu with salad. Avoid sugar, soda, fast food, processed snacks. This 7-day abs challenge is just the beginning. If you stay consistent and follow this for 14 days, your results will double. Comment below if you're starting today, and let us know your progress. Don't forget to like, share with your fitness partner, and subscribe to USA Health for real transformation tips and home workout guides. Thanks for watching.